instant noodles like a pro. Fully cooked noodles. Rinse with water from Mississippi River. Make hard scrambled eggs. Stir-fry lunch meat till brown. Stir-fry tomato until mushy. Put all the ingredients together. Add all the seasoning packs. Sprinkle cilantro. Well mix it. Done and dusted. Out of this world.
For all of its incredible ingredients, but really it's the flavor for us. Add in some mushrooms, bok choy, soy sauce, fish sauce, garlic, ginger, and eggs. Cover and cook for 7 minutes. Add an egg with some Japanese mayo and chili paste to a bowl. When the ramen's done, remove the eggs along with some broth. Add the noodles and use the reserved broth to temper your eggs. Now add it all together. Top it with some green onions, sesame seeds, a little bit of chili oil. Oh my gosh, have you ever seen anything so beautiful? Just 15 minutes, my friends.
Spaghetti all over my For You page, so I finally tried it, and y'all, it was so good. Start off by browning a pound of beef, add onions, bell pepper, season it with whatever you want, and then go ahead and add a jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce. Let that simmer for a bit, and then we can start working on our pasta. Today, I'm using the Fasta Pasta microwave pasta cooker. You can measure, cook, and strain pasta all in one container. So while this is cooking, let's work on the Alfredo sauce. Melt a stick of butter, add in a little minced garlic, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper, and then let it thicken up. When the pasta was finished, I put the lid on, strained it, and threw it right into my casserole dish. I added my Alfredo sauce, and then I topped it with my meat mixture and added more mozzarella and parsley on top. Bake on 350 for 15 minutes, and then top it with more Parmesan cheese.
And then a little bit of butter. Once the butter is fully melted, it's time to add the noodle. I use these Tesco fresh egg noodles, which are super easy. Then add oyster sauce, lots of sweet soy, a little bit of sesame oil, and I actually season this with some salt. And give it a good toss. I finish these off with some chopped coriander and spring onion, and that is literally it. These noodles satisfy my craving all the time. Super quick to make. I serve these up with some dumplings and some This is so good, and
Warum hat mir niemand gesagt, dass ich all die Jahre diese Nudeln falsch koche? Anhand von dem Video gemerkt, dass man das gar nicht mit Wasser macht, sondern mit Milch. Warum sagt es niemand? Jetzt verstehe ich auch, warum die auf diesen Seiten so lecker aussehen. Man hat einfach Milch reinkommen. Leute, schaut euch das nochmal an. Ich muss es gleich mal nachmachen. Das sieht so saftig aus. Oh mein
These soy sauce chow mein noodles, guaranteed to be a crowd favorite. Start by cooking some egg noodles or stir-fry noodles to the package instructions, drain and set aside. Next, separate the whites from the green parts of the scallion and set them aside. Slice a yellow or white onion and set that aside as well. Afterwards, you're going to prepare the sauce mixture. So for that, you're going to need dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, some water, mirin, and sugar. Mix that well and then set aside. I added some bok choy to the chow mein as well. Be sure to wash it really well. It carries a lot of dust and debris. This dish does require a lot of oil, so bear with me. First, you're gonna char your onions and your scallion whites. Then you're gonna add more oil and cook your carrots, your bok choy, and then the green parts of the scallion, and then set all of those aside. Then you're gonna add more oil and you're gonna char your noodles. You need them to have that pan-seared, crispy edge kind of deal. Then you're gonna add your sauce, add some garlic, mix well, and then you're gonna top it with some sesame oil. And I promise you, it's a lot of oil, but it's really, really good.
Oh, wow. Oh. No, I did that.
The most delicious, high-protein, creamy lemon garlic shrimp linguine. Only 490 calories and so easy to meal prep. Season your shrimp with fresh garlic, Italian herbs, chili flakes, smoked paprika, salt, lemon juice, and olive oil. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Cook on medium heat for 6 minutes till golden and juicy. Lower the heat, add light butter, fresh parsley, and lemon juice. Mix and set the shrimp aside. Add low-fat milk, light cream cheese, parmesan, more seasoning, and pasta water. Mix till it thickens before adding your cooked pasta, a handful of spinach, the shrimp back in, more parsley, lemon juice, and parmesan. Distribute into 4 equal servings and enjoy.